You keep hoping to feel ready. But what if that day never comes? What if the only way forward is to start now? Hope isn't enough. If you want something in life, you have to go get it. Stop waiting for a sign. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is already here. Oftentimes we put things off because we feel we only deserve a certain thing when we reach a certain thing. That is a trap a lot of people fall into, because before you know it, you're 10 years older and you haven't accomplished anything. And the only thing hunting you is regret. Regret of all the missed opportunities. So if you want to accomplish something, hope can only get you so far. The only moment it becomes a problem is when you sit around and hope for motivation, for the right time, for the perfect circumstances. The thing is, if you want to change your life in fitness, self-development, spirituality, all of those things, hope is not a strategy. You gotta move beyond hoping and start doing. Now let me break it down for you. Hope feels good. It's like this soft cushion of comfort. You drift around in that feeling of hope, thinking that by hoping, you are going to move forward. Hoping that one day things get better, hoping that one day you'll be ready. And yes, sometimes hope is necessary because it keeps the fire alive. It gives you a certain sense of perspective. But hope alone is a passive game. It's wishing with no action. It is standing on the sidelines, waiting for something external to change your situation. There's a huge difference between hoping and believing. Believe means you trust yourself so much that you're willing to take steps no matter what. Hope just keeps you stuck. A lot of people fall into the trap of hoping for better days, hoping for the perfect time, hoping for a certain situation to appear in their life out of nowhere, without being aware of the fact that hope is a form of resistance. Resistance to discomfort, resistance to showing up imperfectly, resistance to look like a fool. And I get it in a way, I do get it, because it can feel very intimidating starting off from zero and feeling like you don't know what you're doing. The thing is, and this is something that keeps coming back, time is limited, alright? Our most valuable asset on this planet, in this universe, is our time. Every second you wait is a second lost. Lately I've been hearing around me people just dropping dead out of nowhere. People young, old people. And every time I hear a news like that, it reminds me of how fragile we are. You can say you can start tomorrow, you can start within 6 months, you can start within a week. But who told you that you will still be around? I don't want to make this video negative, but it's a reality we all face. We don't know when our time on this planet is up. What is really stopping you, man? Growth sometimes feels uncomfortable, but it's just a short period of time. Because at first it feels uncomfortable, and after that, the new thing that you found scary becomes your new comfort zone. The moment I realized this for myself is the moment I decided that I don't care what people say. This is a vision that's been put in my mind and my soul for a reason. And you may be contemplating starting your own channel or doing something else that might change the whole trajectory of your life or of your family's life. The only way you can get to a breakthrough is if you stop waiting and start doing. That's when everything will change. Take the steps, take the actions, no matter how imperfect they are. The alternative to hoping is action and strategy. By having a strategy, you build daily habits in order to improve your skills. If it's writing, speaking on camera, videography, photography, whatever it is, build daily habits to improve what it is you want to become better at. It's those seemingly small steps that build momentum. So here's my challenge to you. Stop hoping and start doing. Stop waiting for permission from other people. Stop waiting for the perfect time, because that time, I can guarantee you, will never ever come. Growth can be difficult and unpleasant, but that discomfort you're feeling, that is a signal to you that you're moving forward. So please lean into the discomfort, take imperfect action, and start today, because every day you delay is a day lost. And again, none of us have forever. So if you take one thing away from this, it's that hope is not strategy. It feels awesome to hope, but results only come from taking action. So that was a short video for today. I hope it resonated with you in any way. If you know someone who needs to hear this message, please share this, like, subscribe, comment, and leave in the comments below what is one thing you're going to start doing today to stop hoping and start doing. Remember, tomorrow is not promised to none of us, so make sure you use your time the best you can. Thank you for watching, and as usual, I will see you in the next one.